a crash coming.
All right. So where do you want to go?
Over that way.
All right. JoJo's turning us. Okay. Look at the baby.
Yeah.
All right, straighten her out, JoJo.
Bye-bye flight. Shoo-shoo. That maybe.
Uh-huh.
An
Like this.
order for Alice?
That was the champagne I ordered.
What do you mean you order for Alice?
That's what I heard her say. And so if we don't have time to bring our own lunch, you can buy it over there. And sit where the umbrellas are.
Ava, the camera. Hi, Ava.